where eagles soar. Sunset paints the coastline, we keep wanting more. Salt spray on our faces as the breakers roar. This untamed paradise is what we live for. Coffee Bay whispers, secrets in the dawn. Tracks we blaze will linger when we're gone. Wild coast adventures, souls untamed and free, where the ocean writes our wildest destiny. From Dumby shores to Belungulas high, we ride the wind and dance with firelight. Hammocks sway neath milkwood trees so old. Stories in the footprints where the tides unfold. Bright smoke rising as the stars ignite. This is how we measure life, just right. No clocks, no walls, just horizons wide. Every sunset turned, every mile we ride. Wild coast adventures, souls untamed and free, where the ocean writes our wildest destiny. From Dumby shores to Belungulas high, we ride the wind and dance with when the morning calls us to new trails again. We'll pack our dreams and chase the wild wind. Riding through the eastern cape, where the wild winds blow.
Kocha Gorge.
Red fox kicking dust on trails we love to know.